Hey, Mark Kendra here with Jackson Valley Outdoors. Today we'd like to demonstrate how to solder the smallest connections with a cigar lighter. We have determined by process of elimination that this connection is bad, and we have just two tools here to do the job. This is a stainless steel wire, and we're going to use our cigar lighter. We're going to heat the tip of this stainless steel wire and touch it to our tiniest connection here, and that will reconstruct our connection. So here we go. Here's how you solder with a cigar lighter. You want to get this red hot, orange glowing hot. We're just going to touch that connection very quickly, like that. That's it. Just touch it. Alright, so let this cool off, and now we're going to check our connection. We have the laser. We're going to point it. There it is. That is how you solder the tiniest wires with a cigar lighter. There you have it. Soldering with a cigar lighter.